Good morning, Chris Crow. Appreciate you signing in. Appreciate all you guys signing in this morning. Be sure to chime in on the chat if you choose throughout the day and ask questions. We do have the timing system and all that fun stuff, so we can get you times and keep things going. Should be a good day, I think. I've noticed at least three 300-mile-an-hour potential vehicles in the pits. I saw the Ferguson crew, JNS with that gray streamliner, and I'm gonna throw a long ball out on Jeff. Up next, car number 124, High Desert Racers entry with Jeff behind the controls on this run. Sounding nice off the push truck. Looking for a class record of 226.128. This is A. Gas Lakeshore, sporting a big black Chevrolet 454. Sporting Tom Foley Racing and Basham Racing engine. Through the traps at 154.719 for car number 124. 154.719 for car number 124. With Jeff behind the controls. Car number 124 on course now. Normally aspirated. Gas Lakester with an A engine, getting a little sideways off the push truck. Drive it, baby. There we go. Favoring the left side of the course, grabbing for gears, looking for that 226 class record. Go get it, Jeff. Push truck's got his future engine in the back, so hopefully he can work his way into that big engine. Went through the traps at 149.